Hey guys, how's it going? I have got the Project Duramax behind me here, and actually found an issue on the inside. I'm going to show you guys how to fix today. And all you're really going to need is some WD-40 and some sort of flathead screwdriver, or maybe even a multi-tool. These the actual center console lid was stuck closed, and what you got to do in order to get it open, if you're experiencing this, like this lever here would push all the way in. This never wanted to pop up. And I mean, it looks like it's actually in good shape. As you guys know, these things are really notorious about breaking. So far, this one looks in pretty decent shape. But nonetheless, what you'll have to do to get it open is really persuade this thing. You can take your multi-tool and kind of beat on it, hitting it like this until it goes in. Or in my case, I just took the middle seat belt and popped it a few times while pulling up on the lid, and it finally came loose. Then what you're going to want to do is take a flathead screwdriver and pry up on the back side of this here. There's a few clips that hold it in place. Well, I'm having a little bit of trouble finding my multi-tool. My father actually got it for me years and years ago. It's somewhere around here, just hadn't had the time to look for it, but it's in the truck or in the house somewhere. But nonetheless, found this tool here. I used to actually repair iPhones quite a bit, and I think this is going to do the trick here. So I'm going to try to pry on this. I think this is going to work. It's much better. Perfect. So, in case you guys couldn't see, all I did was take this, put it right in here, and pried up in a few spots. And now this guy is up and free. And you can see that mechanism's working pretty good. I mean, it's smooth. But what you've got in here is a little roller, and this guy can sometimes get stuck. And the idea behind it is this guy rolls up here whenever this is whenever the console is closed. That way, if it's tilted in the up position, a kid or somebody in the back can't push the button, open it, all your stuff spills. So what you want to do is try to get this roller out of there. I mean, it literally just pops out like that. Get your roller out, clean everything up a little bit, and actually this is already pretty clean. I'm not too worried about it. Look for anything that might be broken or loose that's hanging around in there, like this. I have no idea what that is, but just get some of the loose broken crap out of there, and then go ahead and spray this roller down and the little spot it sits on with just a little bit of WD-40. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this. I'm going to set you guys down so I can spray this and kind of clean it up a little. See, that's actually cleaning up really good. Should have brought a little shop rag or something. Put in here just a little bit though. Let's see how this guy rolls now, or if it wants to. Looks like both of these clips here broke, but I don't think that's a big deal. I think this can go right back in place how we want it to, with a little gentle persuasion. Okay, so now that we got that, let's test this out real quick. Boy, look at that. Closes, opens just like it should. So our issue was that little roll bar in there. If you guys can put some WD-40 on it, you're good to go. Look at that. Won't open up here. Roll it down here. Opens just fine. So that's all it is, and it's really that easy to fix these middle consoles and these 99 to 06, 07 Classic Silverados and Sierras. That's literally all you got to do. So just to recap, guys, pop this piece up here. There's a little roll bar under there. You'll see it. It's white. Clean that guy up. Clean out anything that might be interfering with the locking mechanism, the springs in there. And then all you got to do, hit that with a little WD-40. That way that thing can roll a little bit. It just gets kind of grimy after a while and wants to sit there locked up. And then as soon as you lubricate it a little, works smooth as can be. As you can see, this is working every single time now. Alright guys, so that was the first project that we've done with the Duramax thus far. Definitely stay tuned. We got some more fun stuff that we're going to do. We got to fix the headliner at some point and maybe try to get this back a little bit. I'm a little concerned about the back here. I don't know how much we're going to be able to do without cutting a hole in the headliner to make it stay glued up. But we definitely got a lot of things, little things to do to this Duramax, and I'm excited to bring you guys along, show you some things that you can do. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like on it. Also subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, till next time, take care.